Yes, so my correct person, I don come again with another ogbonge and legitimate informate wey I wan share give all of una. The koko be say the former governor of Rivers State wey be Peter Odili, he don dey hail Governor Siminalayi Fubara. He don dey support am sake of the political crisis wey dey happen between him and im political godfather wey be the minister of the FCT, yes, Wike. Peter Odili now come dey yarn things and things about Wike and Governor Fubara. But before I give una the full koko, my correct person, I wan welcome you back to Anointed Lady TV. You know very well say for inside this channel we dey like give una only ogbonge and legitimate news wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come, you dey get the update sharp sharp. Anyhow the koko be for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Alright, my correct person, back to the koko of the hour. Peter Odili now don dey declare Governor Siminalayi Fubara as the ogbonge political leader of Rivers State. He say like this now, the people of Rivers State, dem dey behind Governor Fubara 24/7. Say anything wey he wan do, make him do. Like this now, the people dey follow in leadership, they no dey ask any question at all. No say Governor Siminalayi Fubara and Wike wey be the minister of the Federal Capital Territory now, dem dey into one kind political battle like that, and both of them dey fight for political control of Rivers State. Fubara na last month im survive impeachment attempt by the members of the Rivers State House of Assembly wey dey loyal to Wike. The crisis between Wike and Fubara now, e don make power brokers and political stalwarts dem, ogbonge men dem, no come get choice again but to take side. Peter Odili now wey be the former governor of Rivers State, he come dey yarn during the inauguration of the comprehensive primary healthcare center wey dey for inside Ndoni for Ogba Egbema Ndoni local government area of Rivers State. And you see this particular healthcare center, my correct person, the organization wey build am, wey donate am, na Pamo Educational Foundation wey be say the founder na Peter Odili. The former governor now come dey give accolade to Fubara based on the things and things wey im don dey do for inside the state since im collect the mantle of leadership for May 29. Like this now, the people of the state, they dey happy well with Fubara. After he don talk to the people finish, my correct person, now he come face Fubara dey talk things and things. He said the people send am to come tell Governor Fubara say make him plaster well with our president, make him make sure say im doings align properly with the quality policies of our president, and make him carry Rivers people go the engine room of government for inside the Federal Republic for inside Abuja. And for those people wey never even bother to pay attention, say if you look for inside map of Nigeria, you go see am say the entire map of Nigeria dey sit down on top Rivers State. When Rivers State cough, the whole of Nigeria dey catch cold. So make Governor Fubara regard im office as key and vital, make him no look back at all. So no be about age, but na the matter of people wey plaster with you, wey dey behind you, wey dey for you, wey go support you. And na that same people wey dey support am na don send am to come tell Governor Fubara say na him be the political leader of Rivers State. Like this now, Rivers State people say where Fubara go, na there they wan go too. So where he stand, na there Rivers people wan stand too. No be small koko, my correct person. Just as say the kind love wey dey show this man wey be Governor Siminalayi Fubara, e massive, no be small. If to say the koko end there, e for vex plenty people, but the koko is plenty. The former governor of Rivers State wey be Peter Odili constantly proceed further dey yarn say Governor Fubara in dey stand on solid ground, say make him plaster there well, make him hold on to God. Say the rest of the journey go be piece of cake, everywhere go just dey easy for am. No be lie, my correct person, but Peter Odili he no match break for there. Instead he come raise am, he come dey talk things and things wey motivate am to come take the project of the healthcare center opening. You understand? He said because 2 years ago when flood enter Ndoni town, the flood destroy the healthcare center wey dey for inside the community. E come make people now wey dey within a 50-kilometer radius come dey without healthcare services, and that one e no make sense at all. But he dey congratulate Governor Fubara as him take win the hearts of the Rivers State people dem. Sake of say the man don stand by him word, he don stand up to him oath of office to defend the interest of all Rivers State people in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. All of us now, we dey very proud of am. Peter Odili constantly yarn, my correct person. He said the time for politics e don finish, say now na time for governance. But in less than 1 year wey Governor Fubara enter office, the man he don do things and things. He don touch the critical sectors like education, health and other things dem. But before the former governor of Rivers State wey be Peter Odili begin dey yarn all these ones, the current governor of Rivers State wey be Sir Siminalayi Fubara, him bin don carry Michael. Him come dey shake table, him come dey burn cables, my correct person, and him come dey refer to the chairman of the state local government, the ones wey no dey loyal to am. Him come dey warn o say any local government chairman for inside the state wey disrespect am or wey no dey loyal, say the person dey dig him own grave. Fubara surprised well to see the chairman of Ogba Egbema Ndoni local government area for the event, because according to him, he say local government chairmen no dey like come anything wey concerning state functions dem. They no dey like attend those kind of things. So Fubara come dey tell the local government chairman say, I hope say when you comot for here now, they no go sack you because I know very well say you no dey loyal to me. Abi when you comot for here now, you go talk for inside one press interview say no be you come o, say na your shadow. But make I talk am here now. All of una wey think say una dey disrespect me, una don already dig una pit. All of una go fall inside, and that one na the truth. Like this now, our mind dey very very open. We no wish anybody bad, but we expect una to do wetin dey right. For those of una now wey don take the path, and that path wey una take, una think say e go lead to una salvation, una safe journey o. No be small koko ma correct person. Then Governor Fubara now as him dey pledge in support to the administration of our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Him come yarn say they don already promise to support Mr. President, and they go continue to dey support am. And how they go take support am be say they go dey make sure say dem provide for the welfare of their people. Like those people now wey dey in critical need, those people wey be say they need assistance, they need help urgently, they go make sure say those people dey happy for inside this harsh economic situation. And if they no go fit solve all the problems, at least they go make sure say dem calm down the hardship, and to do that one they go tackle those basic challenges wey country men dey face. And that one na the way wey be say they go take support Mr. President wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Governor Fubara come acknowledge the ogbonge conviction of the Pamo Educational Foundation sake of say na dem donate and build the healthcare center for inside the local government, and dem try well for that kind health facility wey dem give back to the society. And Governor Fubara say the healthcare center na the best thing wey don happen to the people. So na so the matter be like, my correct person. Anyhow the koko be you for body, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. Like this now, the governor wey be Siminalayi Fubara, people of Rivers State they don't love am. Even people wey no dey inside Rivers State, they just dey love the man too. When it comes to good governance, you see Governor Fubara, you see Alex Oti of Abia State, leave am. Those men they dey try. Their mind dey for the betterment of the people and for the development of the state. And this conclusion now based on the things and things wey they don dey do since dem become governor for their separate states dem. Normally people dey wey go still hate, people dey wey go talk negative, people dey wey go talk bad, and people dey wey go still love am, wey go talk good. Anyhow e be, na dem get their mouth. But you see this channel na Anointed Lady TV. Na here we dey like give you ogbonge and legitimate news wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to the channel, make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as they bring the news they come, and correct person, you will get the update sharp. Anyhow the koko be you for body, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section, and make you try to share the koko to your family and friends, so that them too they go get updates on wetin dey play for inside we country Nigeria. I dey bring another update for you, my correct person. No go anywhere.